If you've been seeing Temu Free Gift everywhere and wondering, is this actually real or just hype? That's exactly what I wanted to find out. So I tested it myself, and the answer is not as simple as yes or no. So in this video, I'll show you what actually happens when you try the Temu Free Gift system and whether it's worth your time. Before we go further, the latest working Temu Free Gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. What happens when you try it? When I first tried the Temu Free Gift, it didn't feel real. You select items, you see progress, but nothing actually unlocks immediately, and that's where most people get frustrated, because it feels like it's not going anywhere. The truth behind it. Here's what I realized. Temu Free Gift is not fake, but it's not instant either. It's a system. That means you enter a promotion, you complete actions, you build progress over time. So it's not click once, get item, it's start, follow steps, unlock gradually. Why people think it's fake? Most people try it once, don't see instant results, quit, and assume it doesn't work, but they leave before the system actually starts progressing. Part 2. What actually made it work? Here's what changed things for me. Step 1. Entering the right way. Instead of opening Temu, normally I use the link in the description. This took me directly into the free gift system. Step 2. Activating the system. Once inside, I followed the activation step. Now, the system was clearly visible. Step 3. Applying the code. Then I entered the free gift code shown on screen. This connected my account to the promotion. Step 4. Following the flow. After that, I followed what Temu showed. Offers, tasks, steps. That's when progress actually started moving. My honest result. Let's keep it real, it does work. Progress becomes visible. It's structured, not random. It's not instant. It takes some effort. Not every reward is high value. Final verdict. So, is Temu Free Gift real? Yes, but not in the way most people expect. It's not a quick freebie. It's a system you have to follow properly. If you understand that, it starts making a lot more sense. Try it yourself and comment what happened. Did it feel real or still confusing?